Hi, and thanks again for watching our video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm President and CEO of EcoWash Industries. And here it is, another hybrid EcoWash system. This truck is capable of lifting dumpsters and residential bins all on the same truck, allowing you to go out and not be limited when you start this business. Keep It Clean EcoWash, based out of College Station, Texas. They're looking to launch in that area and expand out. Very excited for this team. They're here in town now. We're meeting with them in the morning for training. They took advantage of our Kickstarter package. Now, this package we created, this is something that we've developed over the years to help you save money on your equipment, to help you save money on the launch of your business. It's truly a turnkey package. And keep in mind, this isn't a franchise. This is your own brand, your own business. This is your baby. It just makes too much sense for us not to support our customers, to understand how to grow the business. We're a company who started in the service, started 3 years ago going out to procure contracts with municipalities to work with solid waste companies. And we've done so with multiple cities now and work with multiple, past CEOs of trash, right? I mean, you got to be in the field to understand what the need is. And that's what we've done. We've gone out, we've built relationships with people in the trash industry, and they work with EcoWash Industries to help us understand the logistics of trash. And this is how we move forward. We're not just a company building trucks. We're a company who's gone out and proven this concept of solid waste container cleaning and working with municipalities and solid waste companies, which then allows you to have that reference, that credibility when you're working with EcoWash Industries. So if you're thinking about doing this business and you haven't yet reached out to us, feel free to give me a call anytime, 480-789-0931. And I'd love to talk to you. I'll share with you what has worked, what hasn't worked since we've started our business. If you haven't been to our website, ecowashindustries.com, read about our Kickstarter. This customer took advantage of the Kickstarter, from logo design to the wrap design. Website. We host a website for 2 years. There's no hosting fees. Others are going to charge you hosting fees if you're asking them to build a website for you. So you're guaranteed to get the best value here. We also fly you in for training. We put you in a hotel, rent you a car while you're here. Also throw in 10,000 flyers. Best value out there. Visit ecowashindustries.com, read about it. I'm here to answer any questions. Give us a call, 480-789-0931. Again, my name is Greg Aganowski. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make it a great day.